Hello, Josephine, how do you do? Do you remember me, baby, like I remember you? You used to laugh at me and holler, woo, woo, woo. I used to walk you home, I used to hold your hand. You used to use my umbrella every time it rained. You used to cry so much, it was a crying shame. You used to live over yonder